So this is a little video to show you how you can run a gas hob out of a house using a gas cylinder. And our house runs on LPG. It has one of those big tanks outside which the lorry comes and fills up. I think you call it a bulk cylinder, about the size of, well, a small car, that sort of size. But apparently the pressure for the gas in the house is the same as one of these smaller cylinders. They all run on a similar pressure. And the thing which makes a difference apparently between mains gas and LPG gas is the size of these jets, which are the little nozzles down the bottom there, which you may or may not be able to swap out on this hob, although God knows where you would get them from. So this works, but I'm not really sure whether that's because this hob originally was designed to run on LPG rather than mains gas. And are the holes in the jets for mains gas smaller or bigger? I don't know. Anyway, so this is a bottle of propane, and this is a propane regulator I bought off Amazon, which comes complete with the tube, and also these little jubilee clips when I put it together properly, and also some spare rubber doodads for the end of the thing. And this is our old Bosch gas hob from in the house, which we swapped out for an induction hob some time ago. And if you turn this on and turn this on, I'm gonna have to hold that down because it's still got the safety features enabled. So as you can see, that's like a nice powerful flame, about the same size as it used to be in the house. I think that's top plate is a bit off center, isn't it? Let's give that a whack and see what happens. No, I think it's on there okay. Maybe some of the little grooves need cleaning out on the burner. But yeah, that's working okay. And one of the main reasons I wanted to do this is because normally I use a little butane gas cooker, the square ones, and they're really annoying, because if you're like cooking a proper meal on those, like with big pots for lots of people, the butane cylinders, the little ones, let's have a look at those. Where are they? These ones, when you're using on that sort of cooker, they because they're if you use it intensively, the can cools down as you're using it, and butane doesn't work very well at low temperatures. So you end up with this situation even in the middle of summer. If you're like boiling a big pan of pasta to cook for, I don't know, 5 or 6 people, you have to push these little cans quite hard. They get cold, and then the flame gets really small, and then you can't really do anything. And there is a bit of a hack you can do where you pour boiling water on the can to heat it back up again, but you know, that's not ideal, is it really? So yeah, so this use of propane with this old hob from in the house should sort things out a bit. And yeah, I'll let you know how it gets on. Obviously, oh yeah, one of the main bits to make this work is this thing. That all smells good. One of the main bits to make this work is this thing here called a spiggot or spiggot. So if you look up this pipe copper pipe here, which is how the stovetop was plumbed in the house, is a 15mm pipe, and so if you look up for a 15mm spigot with a compression fitting, spiggot, SPIGGOT, and then you'll find one of them on eBay or something. Funnily enough, when I went to the shop where they sold the gas, it's like a country supply shop, and they were willing to sell me the bottle, the regulator, the tube, but not that, because yeah, I don't know why not. Perhaps the guy in the shop was just being a bit of a job's worth, but well, probably because it's dangerous, eh? I mean, and when I put all that together, I used a proper paste, like a sealant, which you get out of a tub, and just put that on all the threads and all the mating surfaces, and you can put a very thin layer on the olive, but not very much. And then the same inside, there's a couple of like joints in there. So yeah, probably not best to use this indoors, but there you go. And yeah, anyway, there you go. That's that. Hope that's useful to someone. Obviously, this is just how I've done it. You probably shouldn't do it yourself, and but potentially you could do if you chose to do so. Cheerio, bye, 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 bye.